Your team was making fart noises. It was actually the little kid making fart noises, which is funny because now that's, you didn't even know that you were imitating a child, but that's exactly what you sound like. That's funny. Chicago. I was never there. I don't know anyone from Chicago, aside from that college bully. And you only can have like one piece of evidence. I think I wrote it to Fran saying, oh, maybe I'll leave to Chicago, but that's only because I didn't understand why Sterling was after me, and at the time I thought they were just petty girls that were like super like trying to, I don't know, something with Abe, and like I thought it was petty jealousy. I didn't know it went even beyond that. And so I was like, damn, dude, these people are crazy. They're like fucking up my life here in California. But I thought they were California based, and then I found out that Sterling actually got created in like the 1950s in the Midwest. So they're nationwide, and I was like, oh fuck. So I had that idea for about 2 days and then dropped it because I'm like, it's bad weather and fuck it, if it's all the same, it's all the same. But for a second, I thought that that might be a good idea. But no, you have no proof of me ever being there, knowing anyone that lives there, visiting there, nothing. Chicago.